Hi guys,
Hey.
it's Tamika
And Seny
from Sister Saving You Sin.
Yes.
And before we start this video, guys, we just want to wish Seny a happy birthday.
It's my birthday.
Woo! Yay!
Yes. Now we're gonna proceed.
Okay, guys. So the first thing we got to talk about is rumored Harris Teeter Super Doubles. So we have rumored Harris Teeter Super Doubles starting on Sunday, 8/25 through 8/27. So when the list is posted tomorrow, it will have your Harris. You would have your deals. Now we do have a list already up of deals. Of the first list, we will link that down below. Tomorrow will be the list of your deals, plus your regular deals. So it'll be your regular deals plus your super double deals. So we do have that super doubles list already posted. I will link it. We will link it down below.
Yes,
so y'all can get a head start on this printing and getting your coupons ready. We're pretty sure. We will know on Thursday, so make sure you keep an eye out for the update. We'll know on Friday when the EVIC email comes out, unless we happen to get it early. So that's where we're going. So first we're going to start with these super doubles deals. Okay, so we have several good freebies, guys. A lot of it is the same things that we have all the time, but we do have some different ones. So again, sweet tarts are free, Hermo bacon bits are free, Ortega's free, Trolley gummies are free. Now I did not have a problem with the Trolley gum coupon when I used it this week, because it's also free this week. The smaller bags are free, but next week the bigger bags will be free. So, okay, what we do have, yesterday we got a $2 printable on the Garnier Holbens shampoo and conditioner. Those are totally free. Make sure you go down and print that coupon, guys.
Yes.
And the printable link down below. Also, we posted today, there is finish tabs. They're going to be select finish tabs. So make sure you read your coupon, because there are two different coupons.
To see.
They're $3.99 each. And we have a $2 off one in SS84, making those free. That is a hot deal. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this is a hot deal. Sorry, I love those finish tabs. They're one of my favorite things. But you got to read those coupons, because they'll never be.
There's two different ones.
Yeah, just make sure you read them. The Chloe's Pops are $3.99. They're buy one, get one free, which they always have. I was thinking about that time they had that 99-cent coupon. You remember that? We have never seen a 99. They had one time.
One time we did have a 99-cent coupon.
So, and it was theirs. But anywho, there's $1 off of one in Smart Source 623. That's regional. So, they're free.
Yep.
High Chews, free.
Yep.
Barilla Ready Pasta.
Free.
It's free.
Okay, we have an EVIC special on Liberty Yogurt. It's 97 cents. We have $1.50 off of 3 printable. That makes them free. 3 for free. So that's one of those deals where you can maximize your coupon. If you need yogurt and you want to try it out, there you go.
There you go.
Okay, the Alpo dog treats are free, and they are $1 each. And there's $1 off of 2. Now y'all seen that in weeks back in the videos where I got those, and that's another example where you can maximize your coupon. You can get 2 items with 1 coupon, so you ain't hitting that limit. You feel what I'm saying?
Yes.
Now the Betty Crocker Chill Treats are $2.50. We have $1 off of 1 printable. 1 second, guys. And we're back, guys. Sorry about that interruption. Here we go. So the Betty Crocker Chill Treats. Now these chilled
treats.
Thank you. They look like they're little frozen cups of frozy stuff. Okay. We have $1 off of 1 printable. We have a 75-cent Ibotta, making them totally free. Okay, guys. That I don't know. I'm not going to say that because I don't even know. But the gluten-free pasta, it starts with an S, is free. Everybody who's on keto, those green giant rice vegetables are totally free. That's a great deal.
Yes. The command hooks are free.
They are.
The Johnson baby ear swabs, if you got that $2 off of 1 from Smart Source 18, they are free.
8.18.
8.18, I'm sorry.
But look, this is the thing. We didn't get it. So.
We didn't get it. Tampax Radiant. Oh, this is part of that promo.
Okay, we have a few deals that are from the Buy 3, Save 3 promo. We did not promote it. No, we didn't promote it because there were no coupons available when this came out, so it was no need to say it. It was just too high. But there were super doubles. When we get our inserts on Sunday, or if you get them early, it doesn't matter. Super double starts on Sunday if we have it, but they're in that PNG from 8/25.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, Sin.
So they're Buy 3, Save 3 is the PNG promo. We're going to buy 3. It's going to make them $11.97. We instantly get that $3 off, making it $8.97. We're going to use 3 of the $1 off of 1s from PNG 8.25, which is going to make this $2.97. And then we can submit for 3, so times 3 times. $1 off of 1 Ibotta rebate, making the final price 3 free Tampax Radiant tampons, which is a fantastic deal for these.
Yep. Next, we got the Pantene Stylers. They're $4.99. When you buy 3, you save 3. 3 will make them $14.97. Minus your promo will make them $11.97. You use 3 of the $2 off one PNG $8.25. That's going to make them free plus a 3-cent money maker. Now, you can mix and match with these deals depending on the coupon limit, so just keep that in mind. You can mix and match the Pantene, which is Tampax and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Also, the Crest toothpaste is going to be buy 3 save 3. We have $3.93 at $11.97 minus your promo is $8.97. Use 3 of the $2 off of 1 from $8.25. Now they're going to make them free, but it also could make them a $3.03 money maker. This is if it's allowed. So what may happen is it may not double the third coupon. This is just the way things are now. You may not get the overage, but you should be able to get them for free. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You might end up having using 2 instead of 3 because that 303 money maker, that's if allowed. And sometimes they will not allow you to double those. So just
the system's
keep that
weird
in mind.
and it's gotten a lot smarter. When you scan those coupons, you don't see the sucker double. It's because it already knows it's free. That's why.
That's it.
Okay, so other deals. We have the Pillsbury Grands, Crescents, and Cinnamon Rolls. They are $1. We do have $1 off of 3, making them 33 cents each.
Now that's the 4 to 5 count.
Oh, that's good then. The Good Karma French Onion Dip is 49 cents, folks.
Now that's a chance to try a new product. I haven't tried
I
it, but it
haven't
looks
tried
good.
Karma.
Looks good. I love this deal. It's back.
Ooh, then Betty Crocker Fruit Snacks is back. The $1 off of 2, making them 49 cents. That's great, y'all. We have not. You already know.
I got a lot of them last time.
I'm
packing all the
getting
kids,
at least 4 packs of Gushers.
Let me just let you know. I've been packing the kids' lunches, y'all. Them fruit snacks come in handy. You feel what I'm saying? For 49 cents, that's a hot deal.
Hot.
Okay, now we got the old El Paso taco kits. We have $1 off of 2 printable, making them 75 cents each. Have you a taco night? Okay, any Johnson product that's priced at $4.79 next week with a $2 off of 1 regional coupon will make them 79 cents. That is a great deal for your baby products. The Perel hand sanitizer is $3. Use $1 off of 1. It's $1. That's good because we don't get it. 99 cents of the dollar is the lowest you're going to see it. I ain't never. And I've been keeping on for 10 years.
That's just hand sanitizer in general.
And you need it for school. Most people do. So that's a good deal. We got a good deal on Cleveland crackers. Or buy one, get one free at $4.29. We have $1 off of 2, making them $1.14 each. That's a good deal.
Yes.
We have an okay deal on the Snuggie Hug and Snuggie Hug.
No.
Snuggie Dry. Snuggie Dry diapers. They're $7.99. There's a $2 off print, make them $3.99. Now, for us, we don't have young kids, but as far as diapers go, $4 and under is a stock-up price. So if you need diapers, go ahead and get it. Go ahead and get those diapers. Now, we have an awesome promo on Big G cereals. Now, this is select cereals. Can you pop that up? It's on that second page.
Let me do what I said. Let me do what I can do.
Right there.
Okay, let's look at
Slap that thing on up there. All right. Now, this is the deal. So you buy 4 cereals, you get a free milk. This is select General Mills cereal. So what you're going to do is you're going to buy 4. They're $3.99 and $1.99. That's the price point you're looking for. You're going to buy 4. You're going to use 2 of the $1 off of 2s and SS 728. They're going to make them all 99 cents each. Plus you get a free gallon of milk. That's what I'm talking about.
That's a great deal.
That's it.
That's the cost.
Go ahead and take advantage of that deal.
That's the cost of your milk.
That's it. Your milk is free. Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shoot, Tide Pods are gonna be 99 cents. If you got the coupon.
Talk about that
Vaseline. You didn't put that Vaseline.
I put Vaseline in there.
Vaseline lotion is $4.49. It's gonna be 49 cents with a $2 for 1 from Bath Weeks in Suits.
Now listen to this. Retail me not $8.18. Keep your eye out on the big bottles, guys. We don't have a price yet, but they could be possibly free or a good deal on the big ones. But I'm just telling you right now, we ain't had a deal on Vaseline lotion in so long. Y'all better get that lotion. I'm just telling you, my elbow's ashy. I'm using Swap. Ain't nobody got time. I like Vaseline. So there we go. Game Pods, if you got that $2 off of 1 and $8.11 are going to be 99 cents. The Danables, this is a great deal. Those Danables, those are the little liquid drinks. My boys love those. We have an Evic special for $1.77. There's a $1 off of 2 and SS 811, making those 77 cents each with a limit of 4. I'm definitely picking those up. Definitely picking those up.
Gracious.
Okay, now we have another great deal on something that we don't get that many deals on, and that's that Gain Dish Soap. Yeah. So let me tell you, Gain Dish Soap, this is a 20 ounce. It's going to be $2.19.
Yep, $2.19. You're
going to buy 2 for $4.38. You're going to use a 2 off of 2. P&G $8.24. Going to make them 39 cents or 19 cents each.
All this Gain Dish Soap going to be gone.
That is a good deal. And that could be possibly a good deal at other places. We ain't seen a 2 off of 2 Gain in a long time.
I don't think I've ever seen it in the last 8 years that I've been doing this.
I'm just letting you know.
I don't know if it's been 8 years.
Okay. And we got a good deal on Pringles. They're $1.25. We have $1 off of 4 internet printable, making them 75 cents. That's a good deal for Pringles, y'all. The last time we got them, it was real cheap, but it was only on the wavy ones. True. So you get them under $1.
You couldn't get no
there
regulars.
You go. You can't get no regulars. You have to get the wavies. Okay, here we go.
My favorite part is Evic.
We heading in there. Here we go.
All right. What can I just start on? Well, I guess
you want to push. You can push the paper if you want. I'll talk if you want to. Come on. They're everywhere. You don't even want to go there. They are everywhere.
Okay, fine. So we have Starbucks 10-count K-Cups, and the 12-ounce bags are $5.97 with a limit of 4.
No coupons as of now, but if we get some, we'll let you know.
Yes. Tamika already mentioned the Danimals, but also Yo Crunch, which is something else that we don't get a lot of deals on. Activia and the Dana non-Greek.
They'll be $1.77 if there's no coupons.
Yes.
Activia I like, and I'll pay $1.77. It's pretty good yogurt. Okay.
Pillsbury toaster strudels are $1.47 with a limit of 4.
That's a good deal.
Yes.
We don't get no coupons. Okay, go.
Tostino's Party Pizza and Pizza Rolls 15 count, and then the 7.5 to 10.9 ounces are 97 cents. That's
good
a
deal. Limit of 4.
Yeah. We've already talked about the Liberty yogurt, but the Ooey French, which is no play, which is Tamika's favorite
my God.
yogurt.
I made fun of this girl about this yogurt. This is my friend. Y'all, I tried that yogurt. Changed my life. It's delicious.
I haven't tried it.
Oh my God, it's so good.
I'm not a yogurt fan.
It's expensive too. So 97 cents
that's a good deal.
is a great deal. And if there's any coupons, we'll put that up there.
Yes.
Okay, we have the fridge pack. This is another evict of the Yoplait yogurt and the Dunkers. They're $1.77. We got $1 off of one, making them $1.77. I did get those last time for the kids. They like those. Tostinos are $2.97. I don't think that's a good deal. The Giorno or California Pizza Kitchen are on sale. The pizzas are the 22 to 31 ounce. They're $4.77 with a limit of 4. That's up to you. Now, we have a hot
3-day sale.
3-day evict weekend sale. It's from 8:23 to 8:25. It's at the bottom.
Where is it at?
Right there.
Oh, this will come like that. I can't even talk.
Okay, guys. So what we have in that is the Harris Teeter 12-count eggs for 77 cents. Great deal. The Gatorade, I forgot about the hang tag, but it's still out there. The Gatorade 32 ounce is 57 cents. That $1, if you have that $1 off of 5, you're looking at a hot deal. There's a $1 off of 5 hang tag. If you still have it, guys, it's valid to the end of the year.
It is.
Making them extra cheap. Just know that. Okay, Coca-Cola products, the 6-pack bottles are $1.87 with a limit of 4. That's a good deal.
This is great.
That's a good deal.
Yeah, these two, all these are good. But yeah.
Now, them wild caught snow crab clusters, I have no idea what they normally are priced. We don't eat crab.
$8.99.
So they're $6.97, limit of 10.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to get to some buy two, get free freeze. We have some okay ones this week.
All right, so the Harris Teeter All Natural Ice Creams, 48 ounce, are going to be $2.11 each once you buy 5. The Harris Teeter Traders Ice Cream or the Sorbet Pint 16 ounce are going to be $1.59 when you buy 5.
Good deal.
The Harris Teeter 12-pack canned sodas are going to be $1.59 each when you buy 5.
That's a good deal.
It is a good deal. The Fresh Foods Market pre-sliced meats and cheeses. This is the 6 to 8 ounce are going to be $1.79 each.
That's a good
when
deal.
You buy 5. That's
a good deal.
That is good.
Now, this is not a good deal, but we're going to tell you. It's the Harris Teeter chicken breast of tenders, 2.5 pound. It's $10.99 when you buy 2 and get 3 free. It's $4.39. Nope, that's the baby bags. Don't do that unless you absolutely need it. Okay, here we go. Petrus Farm Goldfish are going to be buy one, get one free. This is the time to get them. They're $1.67 right now. Next week, they'll be $1.24.
Yes.
Great deal. So just remember, these deals that we're talking about, you can go ahead and get these next starting Wednesday. Yeah. And then save up your stuff for Super Doubles. Now, the Edie's Ice Cream, this is a pretty good deal. Edie's Ice Cream, 48 ounce. Considering we never have a decent deal on this, we have $1.50 off for 3, making those $2.14 each. If you're an Edie's fan, it's your time to get your ice cream. Yeah. That's a good deal for Edie's. We don't get it often. Buy one, get one free on the Harris Teeter tea, making it a good deal. The Harris Teeter orange juice is buy one, get one free. It's $1.99. It makes it 99 cents each. It's good orange juice. If you need orange juice, get that thing.
There you go, baby.
Now, Blue Bunny has a good deal. If you can still print that 75 cents off of one printable, it's the novelty. So it's the big boxes.
So it's any of their...
It's the ice cream sandwiches, the cones and all that. If you can get that 75 cent in their printer, you're looking at $1.13. That's a great deal.
I love their stuff. I just bought their little shortcake cones, and they're really good, y'all. The strawberry shortcake ones.
We got a good deal on Keebler crackers. They're buy one, get one free.
Yes.
We have $1 off of 2 internet printable, making them $1.14. Now, let me just stop real quick. So today, I was in the store thinking that we're heading into Thanksgiving and Christmas. So these little deals on crackers, noodles, the things that you use for your Thanksgiving dinner, y'all need to get that stuff now. I'm telling you, because it's going to go up in price. So you want to go ahead and get that done. You want to get it done now.
You want to get those things done because they're going to have like random stuff on sale. Like they'll come back out with probably like a pie crust coupon, a condensed milk coupon, things that you'll need for your sweets and baked goods. But
they're going to be priced high. That's the thing.
They're
going to be priced. So your noodles right now at Harris Teeter, they're buy 2 get 2 free. They're 99 cents. They're 49 cents a box.
Yeah,
I went ahead and got my noodles because these are things that are going to last. So that's just a tip we're going to throw out there for you. Okay, some other great deals we got. We got yellow, red, and orange peppers, 99 cents each. The Boston butts are $1.29. That's a good deal. Anytime
Yep.
they're 99 cents to $1.29 a pound, hook it up.
Good.
Make you some barbecue. Harris Teeter bacon is $3. I'm telling you right now.
Yeah.
It don't sound like it's a good deal. It's a good deal. Bacon is high right now.
And it's good.
It's
I
$4
got
to
the thick
$6.
cut the other day,
Yeah.
and I really liked it. It was just fine.
And that's what we got, guys. So we're gonna end it now. Guys. Now just realize we have a lot of deals this week. Make sure that we're gonna put the list down below of the first list of Harris Teeter Super Doubles deals, so you can get to printing.
Yes.
And just make sure you get ready. We'll have everything up tomorrow, the full list with all the deals. Happy birthday, Senny.
Woo!
Make sure y'all wish her a happy birthday. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you know when we post new videos. Y'all have a great day.
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.